Okay, it's already 10:32. So let's check what is the what happened in our scheduled run. So it's pick the email blast PRD I thought. So let's check. Okay. So she's trying to start the project. So let's check the dashboard. So I create a dashboard also. The email blast campaign is in progress. So 0 out of 9. So let's check what happened in the coworker. Block 1 is done. So she is trying to start the block 2. So let's check in the dashboard. So it's accurate. We have, let's check the PRD. We have how many steps? We have 8 steps. Okay, so let's try. Let's wait to finish. So 4 out of 9 or 4 out of 10. So we are done in 4 and she started the block 5 or step 5 or task 5. Okay, we are done in step 5. So currently she started step 6.
Hindi ako mapakali.
Oy! We are done in step 6 and currently we are in step 7. 6, 7. Joke lang. Okay, step 7 is done, I think. Oh, yeah. So, creating a Docker file and versioning and so on and so forth. So, we are final stage of creating email blast. I think this is a phase 1 of our email blast. So we need to improve and improve again and again. So let's see what is the output once the coworker is finished or done to build this project. Let's wait a little bit to complete our email blast application created by Cowork or our builder control. So coworker or Cowork can delete the file due to the permission. So we need to delete it manually or fix it moving forward. Complete. Here's the summary build. This is timestamp email blast campaign manager. Email blast campaign manager version 1.00. All 9 blocks are done, 35 source files, and this is the source file. So to activate, we need to go or navigate to this directory and npm install or okay, I think we need the Docker version. So let's see in the VS Code. So this is the done. So let's check the email. Yes, yeah, this one. So we have this one. So let's check, copy this one. So let's try to build this application. Package and email us. Copy path, cd, wait, docker ps. So we have this one. So I need a new terminal because this is for our builder app. So we need a new terminal, cd. Okay, we have this one. Let's check if we have a Docker file, Docker compose. So we have this one. So we need to build our email blast application. First, we need to Docker build, or let's search the previous command. Docker build or Docker build, this one. Okay, Docker build, replace this one for the email blast. Email blast. And we are using AMD 64 Linux AMD 64. So let's try to build our first email blast application. Okay, we encountered an issue building our application. So let's copy paste the std out logs and send it to the coworker. We encounter issue during build the email blast application using Docker. Paste it and run. So in our cowork builder control, we need to manually deploy or build the application and copy paste the issue to the cowork to fix the issue. But in our builder app, it's automatically fix the issue. So we need to improve our builder app. So npm I want include it in the Docker file. So no need to install the npm locally. Moving forward. I want all the application. I want all application Docker file included the pre-requirements. So we want to include the prerequisite in Docker file, so no need to install the like npm CLI or any prerequisite command to build our application. So we want to make it fully containerized from the build to deploy. Okay, let's chat it. And moving forward, if we want to create another application, so coworker or build control already input in that data in memory. So we di na natin siya ma-encounter sa future. Currently already handle update the memory project, the future build. Okay, done. Email blast. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, npm install. So let's copy paste this error. Another error we encounter. So paste it. Okay, build is done. Docker image. So we already built the email blast. So let's try to run it. Docker compose app-d. So we already have a Docker compose here. But before do that, I want to check the Docker file. So install. So this is a multi-layer build stage. So we have a building. This one is to build or install the npm and copy the prerequisite or the code and run the application. Okay, so let's try. Oops, what happened? Oh, she's looking for this one. So let's try source client. So we need to input, or we need to create. So let's build summary. Yeah, so for now, let's ask the coworker. I already built the image. What next? So I think we need to create a file .env. Okay. Oh, we have an example that TNB this one. So I think we need to copy paste this one. For 300, change it to random string. So coworker, email blast regret. Oh, I think this one is the SMTP password. So we need to remove the space. Okay, let's try it again. Before that, what? Push to the GitLab. We already done this one. Step 7. So let's try to build. Let's try to up again. Okay, the RPS, we have the two application, Builder app and the email task, which is the latest application we created. So look for the PRD and yeah, cowork is said we are his one. So let's try our application. So localhost for 301. Okay. Ray, and the password is, what is the password? I think this one. Okay, not this one or this one. What happened? Docker logs. So let's check the logs. We have error. So let's try to consult with our coworker. Successfully access the email task, but we can't log in. Error from logs. Oh shoot, we need to cancel. So let's copy paste this one. Okay, so let's see what coworker said. What coworker see? Two problem. The hash in the env is either the placeholder or malformat, and the discussion is returning the post. Okay, we have a node here, no node here, so we need to build we need to build with no cache, something like this one. So we don't have node CLI. But I think in our nodes we have a node CLI. Oh, this one. Let's try. No? So let's try docker exec -d. Before that, docker ps, docker exec -it. This one, bash. Message. Oh no. Oh, we exit the terminal. My mistake. Bin bash. Maklan. What happened? Okay, we have node in the, so let's try this one. So admin. Okay. So let's try to input this one. Our password is admin. Docker compose -d /dash. Okay, wala. Never mind. Recreate, I think. So let's try to refresh. Admin. Okay, we successfully log in. Not now, but it's a blank page. What happened? let's check. So I think we have error in the logs. So let's see the logs. Docker logs-f and the application name. Oh no, admin. Okay. Let's copy the error and paste it here. So I already deploy the email blast to my local machine. Test it using Chrome. This is error. Let's see in dev console. Okay, let's see if coworker builder control can fix the error and test from the Chrome. Okay, so let's try this one, rebuild and redeploy. Cancel this one and rebuild. Okay, Docker. Okay, try to rebuild since coworker already edited the broken file or broken code. Let's see what is the let's see. Oh, this file. So let's try. Oh, this one, okay. So let's try to Docker up. Okay, recreated. So let's try it. Okay, login again. Authorize. Okay, never, but we got an authorize and build. So let's try to I see. So let's try test it from Chrome and fix the issue you encounter before. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay, let's rebuild again and redeploy it. Let's try to, so for the As of now, it's rebuild the image. Okay, rebuild, or redeploy. So let's redeploy it. So this is the limitation of our coworker or cowork builder control, since the sandbox of cowork don't access in our machine or pull access in our machine, like execute Docker command, since the cowork sandbox is just a container. So it's a security reason why cowork sandbox don't have full access in our machine. So we need to build and redeploy the application manually, and once it's done, coworker can continue the testing. So as of now, this is a limitation, and manual interaction with cowork and or human. While waiting, let's check with our own. Oh, I think it's good. We have contact, groups, email campaign, setting, no provided yet. So add, label, SMTP, Gmail, Gamma, yeah. Cowork, Gamma PH. What is our email? So let's try. I don't remember. Gamma PH20 @gmail.com. Password is password. Where is the password? This one. Password. Oops, I need to set as a default, this one, and wait, I think coworkers try to no. Okay, coworker trying to test all the pages. So email campaign, setting, go to the setting. So it's the power of the cowork. Cowork can test directly to the Chrome. So let's wait the testing.